Business owners now double their income just by consistently posting online. They generate times 2 or 3 of their normal income. That is the power of consistency. Hello, my name is Divine Favor Alo, and I am a social media manager. Welcome to my Upwork Get to Know Me video. I specialize in YouTube and TikTok growth. I create strategic content that stops to scroll on the internet for businesses and personal accounts, helping them grow their online presence. Creating, editing, and filming content has been something I love doing for fun and freely for people until I created one viral video on TikTok and I realized I was able to solve people's problem. I was able to solve their pain points through that video. A skill I always do for fun became a professional work for me. I worked with 2 clients after that video until I found out about Upwork. I will help you edit your long and short form videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I make use of Canva, CapCut, InShot, etc. and other social media management tools. I ensure you will get an excellent result working with me. I will help you optimize your business or personal page through content SEO and social media marketing. So if you're looking for a reliable content manager, I am the right person to hire. I would love to be part of your business or personal growth online. Let's have a call and discuss about your project.